If you don't have a tagine, you could use a crock pot to slow cook this dish. Place a few tablespoons of oil in your pot, and when your oil is warm, place your thighs and saute on both sides. This stage you could also do in your crock pot. Remove the chicken and put your garlic and then your potatoes on top of your garlic. I am going to marinate with soy sauce, and then I am going to put lemon juice and then lemon grind from half a lemon. And remember, when you're grinding lemon, you just want to grind the yellow part. Here we have date molasses or date syrup. You could use honey. You mix everything. Your last ingredient would be the cornstarch, a little bit of cornstarch. I believe it's a teaspoon with 1 tablespoon of cold water. And you mix everything, and because the chicken is cooked, you can use the same marinade for your sauce. Put your chicken on top of your potatoes with the marinade juice. The carrots, your olives and chickpeas. It does not matter which order you put that in. Put water till the middle of your dish. I added some turmeric. I made some baguette this morning. This will go great without tagine. And then during the 2 hours or 2.5 hours of cooking, once in a while you take the juice out, pour it on top of the chicken, so it will keep nice and moist for you. And voila, the dish is ready after 2.5 hours on slow cook.